Hi everyone. Today we're going to be doing some pretty good analysis with serum family. Like serum family? Well, what we're going to do now is just to actually answer the call that our boss just made. Our boss just called and like, you know what? I want you to help me find the salary pay to all employee in every department, every region. I mean, from the inception of this organization. I'd be like, okay, boss. And he'd be like, okay, the second one is going to be like, okay, find the total salary of employee in such region. And the third one is going to be like, okay, you really need to help me find the total salary of employee earning more than $8,000. And the last one is going to be like, okay, fine, you're going to help me to find the total salary paid to employee in admin department. And this person from admin department must be from such region, and he must be earning more than $200. You'll be like, okay, boss. Then you just have to go to your desk and start typing ASAP. So this is what you do. You have to just aggregate the whole salary paid to the whole employee with SUM. Hit it and go to the range and just click the range. You go to go. Click it and close, then hit enter. This is what it is. Fine, nice. The next one is going to be find the total salary paid to employee in South region. We're gonna still use some. We're gonna use SUMIF, and it's gonna be supplying the range. The range now is going to be South region. Go to region. Then from region we type South. Then the SUM range is going to be this. Now we close it up, hit enter. Here we go. Now the next one is going to be find the total salary of employee earning more than $8,000. Very easy. Just going to use some if, and we talk about the range and the criteria. This one is really optional. The SUM range is optional in this very end, so we just have to argument the range and the criteria. Then what is the range? The range is the salary, and the criteria is what? The criteria is greater than $8,000. Close it up and hit enter. Here we go. Then the last but not the least is that he wants us to actually help him find the total salary of employee in admin department and who is in South region and actually earning more than $200. Now we're going to use some ifs because it has a lot of argument. Now some ifs. Now we have to talk about the SUM range right here. The SUM range is the range we want to aggregate. Now here is the SUM range. And the second one is going to be the criteria. Which is the criteria one? The criteria one is admin. And the admin is found in department. We're going to select the range department. Then give it a criteria, comma, then criteria is going to be admin. It doesn't matter if you have it in small letter or capital letter. Now the second criteria is going to be region. And in the region, what are we looking for? We are looking for people in the South. We want to aggregate their salary. People in the South region, right? Yeah, in South region, have this go South. Then the last one is going to be earning more than $200. That is the last argument we're going to supply to it. Yeah, we're going to choose this again. Then have a comma, earning more than $200, that is greater than $200. Close it and hit enter. Here we go. We've just solved the problem. Now we can just forward this to our boss and he's gonna be like, okay, thank you, I think I just get it. You've actually done something very good for me. Thank you. So this is how we use SUM for analysis, and I believe you can actually try it on your own and see what it is and what you can actually do with it. All you just gotta do is to go to my website and read about SUM and get to understand the syntax. Because if you don't understand the syntax, there is no way you can get it. All you need to do is to understand the syntax. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in my next tutorial. Please do subscribe.